Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to schedule automatic shutdown in Windows 10. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my Windows. Now to schedule automatic shutdown, first of all go to Start and search for Run. And on Run, type this command over here. Just copy this and just paste it over here and run. You can see here is number in seconds. That means you must enter number in seconds. For now, for 10 minutes, I'll type 60 into 10. That means 600. That means I must type here 600. After 10 minutes, my computer will be shut down. And now, okay. After that, you can see here is one pop-up saying you are about to be signed out. Windows will shut down in 10 minutes. Now just close this, and in this way we have scheduled Windows automatic shutdown. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.